let's talk about some colored pencil blender mistakes you might be making. Mistake number 1, using a dirty blender. You want to make sure that your colored pencil blender is clean between colors to avoid muddying your blends or causing dark streaks in your light colors. Make sure that you're using a sandpaper sharpener or keep a scrap piece of paper on the side to scribble on to make sure that the surface of your blender is completely clean so that there is no transfer. Mistake number 2, blending too soon. Blending too soon before you have enough layers of pigment on the paper will result in uneven blends. Your colors will be patchy and uneven before you apply enough colored pencil. Blending too soon will also fill in the tooth of the paper too quick, so you won't be able to apply as many layers of colored pencil on top. Applying layers in opposite directions will also help you achieve a soft blend and make colors appear brighter. Mistake number 3, using a dull blender. Using a fresh blender pencil straight from the package is fine for blending large swaths of color that don't require much detail. Using a dull blender will give you lack of precision and you may accidentally go over lines, and you are more likely pushing pigment around instead of really getting into the tooth of the paper. For most areas, especially detailed ones, use a nice pointed blender. Comment if you'd like to see a part 2 and head to Grizaye.com to pick up your pack of British Blender pencils.